ahead.
What? Are you talking to the sandwich or are you talking to me? Because you're looking at the sandwich and you're talking.
Blow at him.
That's not good? Yeah. Can I give him a little piece?
As long as it's chicken.
No. Oh.
Down.
There you go. I didn't
You
expect
never
him
see
to
all
come
these
up like that.
He only took it from Alma like that too. The hand.
He'll take from the hand, he just won't eat
It's
it.
very rare he takes from
He'll
the
take it
hand.
from the hand, but he won't eat it.
Was that good?
Was it good for you? Because it was good for me.
You have a new pal, you have a new friend. Oh. He won't attack. He's never attacked eating
For food, no. He just keeps licking. Hey, get down. Down.
Down.
Get down.
Here.
That's it, Joe. No more.
That was a tiny piece.
He likes your sandwich. Guaranteed.